There's one. I got one. Got him. Got him. There's one. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, so cool. Salute to her too. Damn, she's ready to go, baby. Let's go. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video, and today we are at the juice right here. Don't know if you guys remember this pond. I fished here a couple times, and there's a decent amount of fish in there. I just hope today that they are biting, and hopefully you guys can tell by the title of this video. Today we are using a custom-made Googan Chatterbait. I didn't come up with this idea whatsoever. I actually saw my boy Weston do it first on YouTube. I just want to check out his perspective and his view and how he did it. It's really cool. I will link it down below. Be sure to check it out. But I figured like this, it was so cool that I want to kind of like make my own. I'll head back right now to the trunk and show you guys pretty much how we made it. All right, hopefully you guys can see me okay. Here is the Chatterbait, custom made. Put the rod down right here. All right, here it is, right here. Googan Chatterbait, like the Chatterbait from like a Z-Man one. Cut it off, and then I put a little swivel right in between here and connected to the Grass Hero swim jig, and then cut off the weed guard, and then put on a 10,000 fish shimmer swimmer on the back. Looks really deadly, I'm not gonna lie. Looks really, really deadly. I just realized I put the swim bait on wrong, so I'll have to change that, so don't call me out on that. Anyways, guys, this should be juice today. I've fished this pond a couple times. Like, take a look, just take a look, take a gander at this pond. I'm gonna work these banks and try to catch them on the Chatterbait. Custom-made Googan Chatterbait, that is. I want to thank you guys so much for all the recent love and support. I just dropped like a mini 2-episode series called the Wisconsin Sends, my last 2 videos. If you guys want to check that out, I would really appreciate it. The first one did so well, and the second one drops. The second one will be out when you guys are watching this, but it hasn't dropped yet. You know where I'm at. The support has been unreal on it, and we're at like 8,500 subscribers. You guys are unreal. I'm gonna switch you guys to the chesty. Let's have a good day. It is beautiful outside. Mother Nature is treating us right today. We just gotta hope the fish are biting, and let's catch some fish. All right, guys, stepping down to the bank. I think I'm just gonna start here. My favorite corner is that back one. That one's done as we've done the best back there, but might as well start right here. It's a beautiful day. Water is not clear, but it's also not that murky. You know, it's kind of in the middle, and we've had luck with the white chatterbait here, so we're gonna try to crank a few here, guys. This is exciting. I really hope we can catch some. There's one. I got one. There's a fish, boys. That was in the middle of the lake, dude. I just cast it out there, and I actually worked that one really slow. Gonna be honest, let it sink to the bottom and just kind of twitched it a few times. Stay down. Come on. I think it's just a decent fish. I'm not too sure, to be honest, though, but yeah, it's just a little guy, I think. Actually, that's not bad. Get up here, boys. Let's go. That's actually not a bad one for this pond. Are you kidding me? It's a nice one. Right in the Googan Squad, custom-made chatterbait. Not a bad one at all. Right in the top of the mouth. She wanted that. Let's go. Right here is the first fish of hopefully many on the custom-made Googan Chatterbait. This little bait right here. Googan Chatterbait produces, boys. That's awesome. Very exciting. Well, by no means a big one, but you know, it's pretty dope, and we're gonna put her back right now. Hopefully of many more. But look at that, man. You can really see through this water today too. Look at her go. Bam, baby, let's go. And I worked that cast really differently. Like I said, I worked it slow. Sometimes you gotta do that with chatterbaits, guys. I mean, usually we're burning them, but sometimes slow it down a bit. Let it sink to the bottom, twitch it, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like a jig. And she wanted that, so let's catch some more, baby. I'm so pumped right now, that is unreal. But yeah, I'm gonna put this down, let's get some more. Oh, we're in prime time, baby. This is prime time, guys. This is my favorite spot in the whole lake. This spot usually does me well. The wind's not blowing here like it usually is, but I mean, there's just something about this corner, man. I've just always caught fish here for some reason. There's one. Speaking of fish in the corner, you kidding me? All right. Oh, did it get off? Or is it swimming with me? Oh, it's swimming with me. It's swimming with me. Oh, come on, stay on. Stay on, you little sucker. Get up here, boys. Let's go. Second on the Googan Chatterbait, boys. I told you there was something about this corner. That cast, that's a bit of a longer one. Definitely smaller than the first one, but nonetheless, another fish. That's exciting. That is exciting, boys. Oh, this is really cool lighting for a picture. Hold on 1 second. Peep the gram, guys. Peep the gram if you want to see this on Insta. All right, guys, that right there is the second bass of the morning, guys. I don't know how long we've been here, maybe half an hour, but can't complain, man. I mean, the Googan Chatterbait is getting bit. Let me show you guys once again. Hold on. Too many trucks going by, but Once again, guys, so we got the white Googan Squad, like, you know, custom made chatterbait, but then the trailer, we have a 10,000 fish shimmer swimmer. And what I love about this trailer and what makes it stand out so much, that this swim bait has a strobe strip in it. So when it's in the water, sun's reflecting off it, it's just, you know, it's reflecting off it, it's just making a bunch of flashes and stuff. So I think that's why these fish are biting it, and that's number 2 of the day in the lucky corner, like I mentioned. And we're gonna get an underwater release, and we're trying to catch some more fish, boys. Let's go, baby. Squad chatterbait, it works. Make your own. I don't really care, but it works, boys. All right, here she goes. Oh, she swam right into the camera, boys. Ah. We just took it. Got him. Took it right at the bank. No way. That was so cool. Come on, stay on. Let's go, dude. Jeez, that was actually crazy, dude. I was about to leave. I was literally gonna take 2 more casts and leave. And I was just watching my little chatterbait right there. And this guy smoked it. Oh, that probably looked really cool. So we just Google Maps this pond. Pretty close to the first one. We're gonna see if there's fish in here. I got no idea. There's one. Fish on, baby, fish on. New pond, we got a fish. Oh, baby, get in, come on. Let's go, baby. That's a decent one, let's go. Googan Squad, custom chatterbait, gets it done. The new pond, there's fish in here. That's awesome. I just pulled this up on Google Maps. I saw a huge bass on that side, and we just hammered this bass right here. That's awesome. Get a quick shot in the big camera. We're gonna put her back. That's fish number 4 on the day. And now we got a new pond we can go to. That's awesome. This is right here, fish number 4 on the day. Googan Squad chatterbait. At a new pond, it's a little murkier water and it's flooded, so there's a lot of brush that's submerged. I saw one huge bass back there, and I was like, okay, there must be fish here. And then I just laid in to this guy right here. But not a bad fish, guys. Super excited that now I have another pond I can fish at. That's exciting. And we're gonna get a quick release on her. Look how murky this water is, and all this is flooded. We'll just drop her in right here. Good fight to her too. Bam, she's ready to go, baby. Let's go. What if I tried like in it? Like that. Got him. Smoked it. Try to get over here, try to land him. Come on. No, not in the trees, Get in. Let's go, there's another one. Let's go, boys. Fish number 6 on the day. Fish number 3 at the new pond. This pond's awesome, dude, I'm telling you. Casted it right there. It's a little flooded, so I casted at these sticks. They'd usually be out of the water. And I casted right next to it, and I was like, there's gotta be one there. And I just felt a huge tap, and he smoked it. Now, not the biggest, but I mean, finding a new pond on Google Maps, dude, is so exciting. And we gotta get a quick shot of this one. You can peep this on the gram. I think we are done using that big camera today. We've already used it plenty. This isn't like a huge fish to, go crazy about, even though I already did. But I mean, finding a new pond like this is so cool. And you guys can see how flooded this is right here. We're gonna toss her back. She swims right off, baby. Let's go. That's a solid cast, dude. I like that cast a lot. Oh, he ate it right there. That was so cool. Oh, that's a decent one, too. Come on, that's actually a good one. Stuck in the grass. That's a beast. Dude, that's one of my biggest fish of the year, if not the biggest. Are you kidding me? On the custom Googan Squad chatterbait, I saw him eat it. Dude, this thing's an absolute slaunch. Dude, I got a scale and a camera. We gotta get pictures of that, dude. Oh my gosh, this is a brand new pond too. You kidding me? Let's get out the big camera real quick. Oh my gosh, this thing's a tank. Oh my God, I saw him eat it. All right guys, this right here is the bass that I just caught on the Googan Squad custom chatterbait. Look at this absolute tank on the Googan Squad chatterbait, dude. Are you kidding me? This thing is huge. We're gonna get a little weight on her. Oh my gosh. This part was, not even kidding, smoked it right next to the bank. It's unbelievable. Official weight, Gotta zero it out of this bass. 5 pounds, 12 ounces. Almost a 6-pounder, dude. Are you kidding me? Almost a 6-pounder. This fish is a 5-pound, 12-ounce bass. It's my biggest fish of the year on the Googan Squad custom-made chatterbait. Look at that donkey, dude. An absolute Illinois brute. Unbelievable. Let's go. Let's get a release on this guy. We're just gonna put her back. No underwater footage needed, but I literally saw that. I literally saw him come out and hit it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's huge. And not even kidding you guys, I was about to leave the place too. Actually, let's switch her. She's ready to go. Let's switch her this way. Look at the shoulders on this one, dude. And she kicks right off. Oh! Are you kidding me? My biggest bass of the year. 5 pounds, 12 ounces. That's one of my biggest of all time. It's up there for me. And the custom-made Googan Squad chatterbait. I don't even know where it is anymore. But guys, wow. I think I'm gonna end it here. That was unbelievable. So cool. I think I'm gonna end it on that catch, guys. The Googan Squad chatterbait, it works. It works. Catches absolute donkeys, dude. That was so cool. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. And wow, what a way to end it. I literally saw a 5-pound, 12-ounce bass hit my freaking chatterbait on the bank. That was so cool, guys. 7 fish caught today. This is a brand new pond I found on Google Maps. You know I'm coming back to it now, dude. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below, guys. We're like 8,500 subscribers or so. Once again, thank you so much. I'm amped out of my mind. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.